Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you want to learn the Kannada? Please watch our video. Today we are going to learn Kannada numbers. Okay, start to the 10. Only to the 10, not to the 20. Start. Vandu. Who call Vandu? It's 1. Eradu. Eradu call 2. Muru. Muru call 3. ಆರು called 4. ಐದು call 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now ಏಳು called 6. ಎಂಟು called 7. See 1 3 4 5 6 7 8 call 8 and Omadu call 9. ಹತ್ತು call 10. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.